All right, what's up? I'll give y'all an update on the S10 today. But before I start rambling about all the things I've gotten done, I got a short video of the truck on the two-step and me testing the bump. This was at 3,800 RPM and 10 pounds of boost. So I'll let y'all watch that video real quick, and then I'll bring y'all back and we will go through everything that I've gotten done to the truck. All right, so now that y'all seen what the truck looks like on the two-step, I will give y'all an update on everything that I've gotten completed. We'll start up front with the blow-off valves are now plumbed. Also the wastegates are plumbed, and I've added a dome pressure sensor. Let's see, the catch can is over here. Running to both the valve covers, the coolant overflow right here, kind of hard to see, but that is my coolant pressure sensor. I got the headlights wired up and also got the bumper installed. I still got to get a valance for it, but for right now I'm happy with it. When it's on the ground, it looks amazing, as y'all could see in that video. So put a valance on it, it's gonna look really good. I got all the clamps on the charge pipes, so nothing will pop off now. I got the boost control solenoids plumbed and wired, and everything is working as it should. That's pretty much it for up here. I'll show y'all what the wiring looks like. I'm really happy with the way it came out. So that's all the wiring. That's all the sensor wiring that was laying in the floor in the last video. I got the Holley 7-inch dash mounted and all the wires ran. I got the shifter solenoid installed and plumbed. Here is the CO2 for the boost control and the shifter. I did pick up a Holley G meter. It's just temporarily installed right now until my brother finishes making me a mount for it. I was just going to use the G meter off of the dash, but the data is very erratic. I'll still data log it and we can compare it to this G meter, but all I know is when I wired this G meter up, the data was very smooth. So we'll see how it comes out. If that's something one of y'all want to see because you're thinking about trying to use it, then I'll show you what it looks like. But I am glad that I have that. That's a very nice dash, and I think it's gonna be handy later when we add some switches on it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The only other thing I have left to do is the transmission is leaking from the front pump seal. So I'm going to have to pull the transmission, replace that seal, and yeah, really ready to go to the track, or I might try to put it on a dyno and just get the tune, you know, where at least the fueling is a lot better. But I might just skip the dyno and do a little bit of street tuning, and then let's take it to the track, because it's already November and I'd like to make a couple of passes in the truck before the end of the year. But I've had the truck for just over a year now and it's pretty much complete. So I'm happy with the time frame that I completed the truck. It's a little bit longer than I thought I was gonna, you know, what it was gonna take me, but it's pretty much done and it's very clean in my opinion. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you would like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.